Eco-friendly household hacks. 10 cleaning tips using everyday items. Clean your kitchen easily with baking soda. Use baking soda paste to remove grease on the stove. Baking soda paste is a fantastic solution for kitchen cleaning. Simply mix baking soda with a bit of water to create a paste. Spread it on greasy areas around the stove, and let it sit for about 10 minutes. The baking soda lifts the grease, making it easy to wipe away with a sponge. It's a gentle, eco-friendly option that's safe for both your kitchen and the environment. Eliminate sink slime with baking soda. A baking soda and vinegar combination works wonders for sink grime. Sprinkle baking soda in your sink, then add a little vinegar. As they react and bubble, this mix lifts the slime and leaves your sink sparkling clean and fresh. Make windows sparkle with vinegar. Clean glass surfaces with vinegar spray. A vinegar water solution is perfect for glass cleaning. Mix equal parts vinegar and water, spray it on glass surfaces, and let it sit for a moment. Vinegar's acidic power breaks down grime and gives a streak-free shine. Polish with newspaper for a brilliant finish. After wiping, use crumpled newspaper for a final polish. The newspaper gives glass a streak-free shine and a polished finish, leaving your windows spotless. Bring shine to wood floors with rice water. Rice water is a natural floor polish. Rice water contains starch and oils that give wood floors a natural shine. Save your rice water, then use a cloth to wipe your floors with it. The gentle layer left behind adds a natural glow. Tips for shine and scratch prevention. Using rice water consistently creates a fine protective layer on your floor, filling tiny scratches and giving your floors a polished, scratch-resistant finish. Dust furniture with old cloth. Dust with old shirts. Old shirts work well for dusting because they're soft and catch dust easily. Dampen slightly, then use to wipe down furniture. This method captures dust without spreading it around. Add fabric softener for extra shine. Spray a bit of fabric softener on the cloth before wiping for an anti-static, shiny finish that prevents dust from resettling. Use a toothbrush for detail cleaning. Clean keyboard and remote gaps. A toothbrush is perfect for dusting tight spaces, like keyboards or remotes. Gently brush to lift dust, then vacuum or wipe away the debris. Scrub bathroom tile grout. To remove grime from tile grout, apply baking soda and scrub with a toothbrush. Afterward, wipe with a vinegar-dampened cloth for a final clean. And anti-mold protection. Freshen tatami with used tea leaves. Clean tatami floors with tea leaves. Slightly dampened tea leaves attract dirt and dust on tatami. Sprinkle used tea leaves on the floor. Then wipe along the grain for a clean, fresh-smelling tatami. Tea leaves as a natural deodorizer. Tea leaves also act as natural deodorants. Wipe with tea leaves to absorb odors, leaving tatami refreshed and pleasant. Disinfect the bathroom with vinegar and water. Make toilet surfaces sparkling with vinegar. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray on toilet surfaces, and wipe for a powerful disinfecting and odor-neutralizing effect. Remove water stains in toilets. For toilet bowl stains, pour vinegar in. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Then scrub with a brush. Vinegar's acid dissolves tough stains and leaves a fresh, clean scent. Remove bathroom mold with citric acid. Make a citric acid spray to clean mold. Citric acid is great for bathroom mold. Mix a teaspoon of citric acid with water. Spray on moldy areas. Wait 15 minutes. Then wipe for a spotless result. Citric acid paste for tough mold. For stubborn mold, mix citric acid with a small amount of water to create a paste. Apply it to the mold, cover with paper, and let it sit for an hour. Then, scrub lightly with a toothbrush to reveal a fresh, clean surface. Use newspaper for easy entryway cleaning. Remove dirt and dust from floors with newspaper. Slightly wet a piece of newspaper and use it to wipe the floor. The newspaper traps dirt and dust effectively, making it an eco-friendly choice for quick cleanups. Absorb moisture in shoe cabinets with newspaper. Crumple newspaper and place it in the shoe cabinet to absorb moisture and odors. Replace regularly to keep shoes fresh and odor-free. Deodorize the fridge with charcoal. Remove odors naturally with charcoal. Charcoal is a fantastic odor absorber. Place some charcoal in your fridge to keep it smelling fresh. Its small pores capture smells, preventing food odors from mixing. Placement tips for longer-lasting results. To get the best results, place small pieces of charcoal in the back, in the vegetable drawer, and on each shelf. This arrangement keeps the whole fridge fresh and odor-free. How did you like the video? At Healthy Horizons, we bring you the best tips on eating smart and living strong, with carefully curated health and wellness insights. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next video. See you next time.